Good afternoon, everybody! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Friday. It is the end of the first week.
Woo! We made it!
It's like that Friday kind of feeling. Like we're gonna do all these like great things. What do you want to do this weekend?
Go stand in my yard.
Good, good. I can't wait to do that. I've actually had a ton of fun, like making the different videos and doing all the different activities. So I hope you guys have too. And today will be equally as much fun. We've got a really awesome project and stuff for us today. Let's jump right into our scripture. Today we're looking at the book of Luke, and we're at chapter 6, verses 30 through 31.
Give to everyone who asks you, and if anyone takes what belongs to you, do not demand it back. Do to others as you would have them do to you.
So today we're in the Love Thy Enemy section of the Beatitudes, and Jesus is talking to the crowd. And just prior to today's scripture, he's telling us to love our enemies, how easy it is to love those we like, but what about those we don't? And then it transitions into 30 and 31, which is give to everyone. One of the things that I'm like really impressed with and kind of inspired with through all of the things that is happening right now is how many like kind of social groups I keep seeing of people like school districts giving out food and volunteers driving buses to get that food into different places, and now towns have these community pages where people can register their business so that people know that their businesses are still there, and they're encouraging people to eat out by buying takeout and bringing it home, and all these things that are kind of teaching us to love thy neighbor. We totally should have done love thy neighbor as ourselves. That would have also been really good here. This concept of giving out, not demanding back, and to do to others as we expect ourselves. We were down on our lookout. We own one of these businesses that is now forced to close. Then we'd be getting help. I also like how the church has really reaching out to people who are in need.
What's cool about this verse to me is that even if you're not a Christian, people agree that this is good sense, like this is a good way to live. In public schools where they can't talk about Christianity, they'll call it the golden rule. You know, treat others the way you want to be treated.
It's like sneaky Jesus in public schools.
What's sneaky Jesus? Oh, sneaky Jesus is like when you play a contemporary worship song in your car, and like your friend who maybe is not that Christian is like, wow, I really like this song. You're like, I pulled a little sneaky on you because it's actually a Christian song. Sneaky Jesus.
That would actually be a really good challenge. I like really challenge you guys to work out how you can sneak a little bit of Jesus' message and teaching into your secular friendships. That would be really funny, and you should tell me about it because I would love to hear about that. Great, so why don't we move into our fun slot then?
Yeah.
So I know that I'm the superior crafter out of the two of us, but maybe we'll let you take the lead so you can learn. So,
weird flex, but okay. We are making sock puppets!
Ah, cool.
You were not as excited as me.
Yay! Oh wait, no, I have a sock.
Oh.
This one.
That was dirty.
No, it's not. It's clean.
This is just wearing it.
This is the one that I'm gonna use.
Skirt.
Oh wait, I had a hole in it. I didn't know that earlier today.
So you should use glue or tape or whatever your parents provide you. Or if you're an adult, whatever you provide yourself.
Sorry, just continue. Just ignore me.
I can't find any glue, so I'm gonna be sewing.
Whoa.
Do you have any? Do you want to use this
Were
tape?
you gonna ask me if I have any glue?
Did you bring any glue with you?
Nope. I'm also going to sew.
You're gonna want to plan out what you want on your puppet, unless you want to wing it, but I don't suggest that.
Then I will not wing it like I was gonna do.
You put your sock on your hand first. When we sock puppet for fun later, what hand?
My right.
Okay.
But my left isn't. If you think my right's not crafted, my left is not crafted.
All right, put it on your right. You can put it on your left, I guess, if you need to.
What about direction? I really want a big sock.
Yeah, so you either need to pick. Do you want it like to be in the back so it leaves room for bending your wrist? Or do you want it in the front so he has a belly?
I want it to be in the back.
It has a hole too.
Because he has a hole, and I was trying to pretend that hole wasn't there until I pointed it out.
Well, you could sew it. Get a marker, and And you want to mark the areas where you're going to be gluing or taping or sewing things. So I'm going to have...
What are we gluing and taping and sewing?
Well, like if you're going to have hair.
Oh.
Or eyes.
Oh, okay.
Or anything else, like a flower crown.
Oh wait, the hole's going to be visible because I forgot that a sock puppet isn't flat like this.
Yeah, you don't do this, you do this.
So
you can talk.
Wow, mine's going to be a big guy.
Just mark on it where you want things. So I'm marking where I want my hair, but I'm not like drawing everywhere where there's going to be hair. I'm just drawing where I'm going to connect the hair. Where I want my eyes. So this is why you have the sock on, because if you did this before you put it on, you're not going to know where the things are gonna go. And mine's gonna have a funny nose. And then if you wanted something like ears, you can mark that. You want anything else?
If I manage to get this guy hair and eyes, I'm gonna be like really impressed.
So those are the main parts, okay? And then you can take it off.
It was not a clean sock, just...
And you pick some different supplies you want. I just grabbed some things from my craft closet. So I have like cotton balls, which I have plans for.
Are they pom-poms?
Yeah, you're right, they're pom-poms.
My years of arts and crafts have paid off.
And then here's what I'm going to use. I have lots of different string, and these will be for the hair and ribbon in here.
I have a question.
Oh my gosh. What's your question?
Why do we have so many craft things like this? Like, why does anybody need so many ribbon strings?
Because you never know when there's going to be a pandemic. You need to be prepared.
That's true.
We can survive on crafting for so long.
I am sure all of our families at home are equally well stocked in their yarn collection.
I have no doubts. And I'm getting my thread ready, because we're going to be doing needlework. They're probably not, unless they're an adult. I can picture my Aunt Donna doing this. Shout out to my Aunt Donna. Hope you do this. Send us a picture if you do.
We'll show Judy. This is going to be an exciting clip.
Well, I'm not going to keep it in it.
Oh, this is my thread? Why can't I have pink thread? Why are you using pink thread?
You can, you have to wait then.
No, I don't want to wait.
Man, this is hard as a camel.
Yeah.
Going through
I was going to say,
the eye of a needle.
I think I read somewhere about an act. Oh my, I am not putting it in there. Have we got a big one?
My friend Ashley would be good at this. Not missing it. Let me do it for you. You're like really far away.
Stop it. I'm a strong, independent man.
How you doing?
Doing well, except I stab myself with the needle. I wish we had glue.
Do not sew if you are a child without your parents' permission.
I wish we had glue.
And if you're a husband, do not do it without your wife's support.
All right. That happened. Not quite sure that's how I want it.
Did it break? What?
I broke it. Gotta do my favorite part again. So what this video really is a video of Kate making a sock puppet and everybody else just watching how I can't thread a needle apparently. Yes! I did it twice! I am slaying today. Let's again without breaking it.
Don't sew your sock shut.
You know, I'm just dealing with one problem at a time here, Kate. I am ready to sew. How did you do that?
I sewed it. I took my two string things and I tied it in a knot so it'll be easier to sew it because I'm sewing the knot part instead of all the individual strings. Or are you gonna do the individual strings?
I'm not now. You know, I'm nothing if not a problem solver. So I also wish that I did less blue lines, because now I've got a signature.
I said only put it where you're gonna contact. I don't know why you did. You like put each individual strand that you were gonna put on.
Yeah, you didn't say it loud.
But I'm not like drawing everywhere where there was going to be hair. I'm just drawing where I'm going to connect the hair. I exactly said that. Don't draw every strand where every strand of hair is going to be. I exactly said that.
Now everybody gets to see my masterpiece.
Give the people what they want.
Jesus. How do you do it and not poke yourself through the sock? Is there a tip?
I wonder if our friends are going to want to hang out with us more or less after this video series.
Maybe they'll all want to hang out and make sock puppets.
Okay, I'm ready for yellow.
I think I'm going to have to make some design changes. What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
Do I have to rethread it every time?
No.
I run too much of a risk of poking myself at that point.
You're doing a great job.
I know.
Stop being self-conscious.
I'm not.
You keep asking what every time I giggle.
Because you're going.
I'm like looking at mine and being like, it's cute.
I am a little bit impressed. Wait, mine's strings. So how do I do with eyes?
What I'm going to be doing for eyes is using some beads. We have buttons in that tin over there.
Feels weird only wearing one sock.
Do you own other socks?
Nope, this was it. Alright, well mine's about to have no eyes.
You know who's gonna really like our puppets?
Jesus.
Gertrude.
Okay, I'm done. I'm not doing it anymore.
You want me to do it?
No.
Do you want to find glue?
No. I'm done. And
This is your job right now.
did we deliberately buy needles with the smallest eyes I've ever seen in my life?
Yes! Because
Why?
you don't want a big eye
Why?
going through fabric.
Why?
Because then you rip it.
No, no, it does not.
What a fun Friday.
Okay, I did it.
Yay!
Right, I think once I got the string, I think I'm done. Perfection is here. Here's our sock puppets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna smooth.
Oh no, gross.
Do you have a name for yours?
Rosalina the unicorn.
I'm gonna call mine.
Wow, your mouth is so weird. The way you hold it. Not the way you designed it, just the way you hold it.
No, look, it's a big sock, so it's a big mouth. Mine is called Geraldine. And I feel like it's an appropriate name that really speaks to me about this grumpy. And mine's definitely grumpy.
Mine's beautiful. It has a flower in her hair.
Alright, well that was fun. They look really great. I'm actually a little impressed with how mine came out. I have a lot of extra string just everywhere. Ah, don't eat me. Hopefully you guys had fun watching that. You should make your own sock puppets and send me a picture and then maybe it'll be on our next video.
Yeah. Ooh. No! So if you make one, take a photo of it or a video and send it along to us. Here are some new subscribers we want to welcome to the family. And here's a comment from yesterday's video. We also like John 3:16.
Truth.
And I want to assure everybody, because we have been getting questions about where is Barty, and we did go to the office. What?
Oh, the other one. Been there all along.
Yeah. But we did go to the office and rescue Barty. So Barty will be spending his Corona vacation with us.
Like hit me in the face. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will actually see you on Monday.
Yeah, and let us know if you have any ideas for next week's videos.
Yep. Bye guys.
Bye.